What is financial market? Financial market refers to a marketplace where creation and trading of a financial assets such as shares, debentures, bonds, derivatives, currencies take place. It plays a crucial role in allocating limited resources in country's economy. It acts as an intermediary between the savers and investors by mobilizing funds between them. Financial market provides a platform to the buyers and sellers to meet for trading assets at the price determined by the demand and supply forces. Functions of financial market. It facilitates mobilization of savings and puts it to the most productive uses. Second, it helps in determining the price of securities. The frequent interaction between investors help in fixing the price of securities on the basis of their demand and supply in the market. Third, it provides liquidity to tradable assets by facilitating the exchange as the investor can readily sell their securities and convert assets into cash. Fourth, it saves the time, money, and efforts of the parties as they don't have to waste resources to find probable buyers or sellers of securities. Further, it reduces cost by providing valuable information regarding the securities traded in the finance market. Next, the finance market may or may not have a physical location, that is, the exchange of assets between the parties can also take place over the internet or phone also. Now I am telling about the classification of financial market. First, by nature of claim, debt market. The market where fixed claim or debt instruments such as the debentures or bonds are bought and sold between investors. An equity market. Equity market is a market wherein the investor deal in equity instrument. It is the market for residual claims. Second, by maturity of claim, money market. The market where monetary assets such as a commercial paper, certificate of deposit, treasury bills which mature within a year are traded is called a money market. It is the market for short-term funds. Capital market. The market where medium and long-term financial assets are traded in the capital market. It is divided into two types. First, primary market. A financial market wherein the company listed on an exchange for the first time issue new security or already listed company brings the fresh issue. Second, secondary market. It is known as the stock market. A secondary market is an organized marketplace wherein already issued securities are traded between investors such as individual, merchant bankers, stockbrokers and mutual fund. Third, by timing of delivery. Cash market. The market where the transaction between buyers and sellers are settled in real time. In future markets, futures market is one where the delivery or settlement of the commodities takes place at a future specified date. Fourth, by organizational structure. Exchange traded market. A financial market which has a centralized organization with a standardized procedure. Second, over the counter market. An over the counter is characterized by the decentralized organization having customized procedures. Difference between money market and capital market. Money market is for short-term financial assets and capital market is for long-term financial assets. Money market maturity period is less than 1 year and capital market maturity period beyond 1 year. Money markets deals over the counter and capital markets deals at stock exchange. And in money market, number of players, that means the participants of businesses, is limited. In capital market, number of players is unlimited. Money market is regulated by RBI and capital market is regulated by SEBI, that means Security and Exchange Board of India. Foreign exchange market. It is a global decentralized or over-the-counter market for the trading of currencies. This market determines foreign exchange rates for every currency. It includes all aspects of buying, selling and exchanging currencies at current or determined prices. In terms of trading volume, it is by far the largest market in the world, followed by the credit market. Interbank lending market. The interbank lending market is a market in which banks lend funds to one another for a specified term. Most interbank loans are for maturity of 1 week or less, the majority being overnight. Such loans are made at the internet bank and also called the overnight rate if the terms of the loans is overnight. Commodity market. A commodity market is a market that trades in the primary economic sector rather than manufactured products such as cocoa, fruits and sugars. Hard commodities are mined such as gold and oil. Investors access about 50 major commodities market worldwide with a purely financial transaction, increasingly outnumbering physical trades in which goods are delivered. Derivative markets. The derivatives markets is the financial market for derivatives financial instruments like future contracts or opinions, which are derived from the other forms of assets. The markets can be divided into two, that for exchange traded derivatives and that of the over the counter derivatives. The legal nature of these products is very different, as well as the way they are traded through the many markets participants are active in both. Money market. The money market is a component of the economy which provides short-term funds. The money market deals in a short-term loans generally for a period of less than or equal to 365 days. Money markets serve 5 functions. First, to finance trade. Second, finance industries. Third, invest profitability. Fourth, enhance commercial bank self-sufficiency. And fifth, lubricate central bank policies. Money market instruments. First, certificate of deposit. Time deposit commonly offered to consumers by bank, thrift institution and credit unions. Second, repurchase agreements. Short-term loan normally for less than 1 week and frequently for 1 day, arranged by selling securities to an investor with an agreement to repurchase them at a fixed price on a fixed date. Third, money market mutual funds. It means it's a short-term investment debt operated by professional institutions. In other words, money market mutual funds are the investment fund. Here, number of investors invest their money in mutual fund institutions and they diversify the funds in various schemes. Fourth, commercial paper. It is a short-term instruments promissory notes issued by a company at a discount to face value and redeemed at a face value. Commercial paper introduced during 1990. Maturity period is minimum 7 days and maximum up to 1 year. Fifth, treasury bills. It is a short-term debt obligations of a national government that are issued to mature in 3 to 12 months. 6. Money funds. It is a pooled short maturity, high quality investment that buy money market securities on behalf of retail or institutional investors. 7th, foreign exchange swaps. Exchanging a set of currencies in spot date and the reversal of the exchange of currencies at a predetermined time in the future. Treasury bills. These are the instruments of a short-term borrowing by the central government, first issued in India in 1917. Treasury bills can be purchased by anyone except state government. Minimum amount of face value is rate 25,000 and in multiples of thereof. Maturity period is 91 days, 182 days and 364 days. Treasury bills are zero coupon securities and they are issued at a discount and redeemed at a face value at a maturity. Cash management bills. Cash management bills introduced in 11th August is a short-term security to be sold by Government of India to raise temporary money for cash management needs. The tenor is less than 91 days, but the notified amount and a date of issue depends upon the temporary cash requirement of the government. It is issued at a discount to the face value through auctions, as in the case of treasury bills. Dated government securities. These are the long-term securities and carry a fixed or floating coupon paid on the face value. It is payable at a fixed time periods. The tenor of the dated securities can be up to 40 years. Public Debt Office of RBI acts as the registry of government securities and deals with the issue, interest payment and repayment of the principal at maturity. Ways and means advances. Ways and means advances were introduced as per an agreement between RBI and government. Ways and mean advances are temporary overdrafts by RBI to government under Section 17 of RBI Act. It bridges the time interval of mismatch between the government expenditure and receipts. Duration 10 consecutive working days for central government and 14 days for state government. Terms relating to money market. First, call money. It is a money lent or borrowed for 1 day. Second, notice money. It is a money lent or borrowed for a period of 2 to 14 days. Third, term money. It is a money lent or borrowed for 15 days to 1 year. Fourth, yield to maturity. It is expected rate of return on an existing security purchased for the market. Fifth, coupon rate. It is a specified interest rate on a fixed maturity security fixed at the time of issue.